The name of God, hello to everyone. My name is Rajab. I'm from Afghanistan. Right now I'm living in the camp. The name is Nia Kavala in the one city of Greece and with my family. And now I want to explain my situation about the coronavirus and about how is living in the camp in Greece. My feeling is not good because we are waiting for one appointment 4 months, 5 months, and after when they close the camp, lose the appointment. And this is very important, and nobody listen to this. It's not the solution. Put the mask inside the camp and no go outside. I think it's not the solution. Only refugees stay in the camp for 2 weeks. So imagine have a heart problem, have a legs, all the problem. He give you only one pill, and this is not the solution. And you say I want to go hospital, say wait after 4 months, 5 months, give you appointment for the hospital, and after you must to go to private doctor, and without money it's very difficult. There is no a special organization, only one organization, IOM, from all the union, and help one carton food, and it's not enough for 2 days, but give you and told you is for 2 weeks. And you must do using this. You imagine go to outside, police see you in the street, 150 euro writing for you, because you can't go to outside. Better inside the camp when the police say you must stay. Okay, you must to accept. And if you no listen, after is your problem and writing 150 euro for you, say you have time only for 10 days, pay this money to organization. If you no pay this money after double. The refugee are living like animals, and nobody listen to refugee and see the situation of refugee. And I hope one day all refugee go to destination country, like I don't know, other country better, because we are coming for better life, for a small better life than my country. If my country have a life, never come to Europe, because my country is fighting, no possible back in my country. And we are coming to better life, but unfortunately we are the same my country, and very bad than my country. No respect, nothing. And I hope one day finish this situation for all refugees.